Howdy everyone, this is Graham Pine with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, so I'm at the Alta Park Central, and I'm looking at their beautiful one bedroom. I've already done a part one video of this gorgeous apartment. By the way, it's tall in here. The ceilings are maybe 11 feet, 12 feet. It's very pretty in here. Now let's look in the bedroom and bath. So we're looking in the bedroom here. The bedroom is gorgeous. This is a king bed in there. Looks just absolutely lovely. It's a real pretty bedroom. Again, just the tall ceilings just really add a lot to it. Now in here, it seems maybe a tad shorter, maybe about, I don't know, I guess it's just the same. So maybe about 11 feet in here. A lot of space, a lot of windows. And you can see, again, the king bed, plenty of space on each side. Then over here is the bathroom. The bathroom is really pretty. Really like it a lot. Look at the gorgeous tub here. The tub is beautiful. The shower backsplash goes all the way to the ceiling. Love seeing that. And then look at these beautiful floors. The floors are gorgeous. Just everything about this is super pretty. The countertops, the lighted mirrors, it's just a treat for the eyes. This is the closet. The closet has a washer dryer inside of it, and it also has plenty of storage. Look at all this storage. There's a lot. Wow, really impressed. One thing is, I really like this jewelry holder. That's one of the coolest jewelry holders I've ever seen. So anyway, not a particular thing that you would see in every apartment, but I really like that. Anyway, we're going to go outside here, and we're going to go back, and you can see this beautiful kitchen. And, you know, I really love the feel here. The prices are right here as well. It's a great price. They've got some great specials, and this area is just delightful. I really would recommend that you take a tour. But what I would do is do a virtual tour. If you do a virtual tour, you don't have to come in person. You can just do that. You can request it from me. It'll be free. I'll take care of that for you with a free live virtual tour of the apartments that you want to see here. And it's no charge. And that way you can see things from wherever you're at and just see what you think about it. And it'll be the apartments that you want to see in particular. So send me a request for that virtual tour, or if you just want to ask questions about Dallas apartments in general, you can also send me a text as well. Just use the number below and say hi.